What is the value of the expression 9 plus 27 divided by open parenthesis 7 plus 2 close parenthesis and multiplied by 2 squared? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? 98% of people get to read and choose the wrong answer. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people, when solving this question, first go to the expression 9 plus 27, and instead of this expression, they write 36 divided by 7 plus 2 inside the parentheses and multiplied by 2 squared. And the next step, they go to the expression inside the parentheses and simplify this expression to 36 divided by 9 multiplied by 2 squared. Then, they perform the division between 36 and 9, and instead of this expression, they write 4 multiplied by 2 squared. And the final step, they go to the expression 2 to the power of 2 and simplify this expression to 4 multiplied by 4, which finally gives them the answer 16. And immediately, they conclude that option C is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go to the expression inside the parentheses, and instead of this expression, they write 9 plus 27 divided by 9 multiplied by 2 squared. And the next step, they go to the exponent, 2 to the power of 2, and simplify this expression to 9 plus 27 divided by 9 multiplied by 4. Then, they perform the multiplication between 9 and 4 because they believe multiplication has higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 9 plus 27 divided by 36. And the next step, they perform the division between 27 and 36 because they say division has priority over addition. So, they simplify this expression to 9 plus 0.75, which ultimately gives them the answer 9.75. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by parentheses, then a multiplication, and finally exponent. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PDMAS. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. So, we start with the parentheses first, because parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operation. Okay, instead of this expression, we can write 9 plus 27 divided by 9 multiplied by 2 squared. And the next step, we go for the exponent, because exponent after parentheses has higher priority than the other operation. So, this expression simplified to 9 plus 27 divided by 9 multiplied by 4. Okay, now it's time to perform the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, we must pay close attention that multiplication and division have equal precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression, performing division and multiplication as we go. So, we start with the division between 27 and 9, and instead of this expression, we can write 9 plus 3 multiplied by 4. And the next step, we go to the multiplication between 3 and 4, because multiplication has higher priority than addition. So, this expression simplified to 9 plus 12, which ultimately gives us the answer 21. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.